It's not easy to get around Odisha by bike. Odisha is beautiful. Just took a turning off the main road. I saw a sign for a temple, and the name's a bit too difficult for me to pronounce, but it seems to be important.
50 rupees, 100 rupees. Take it.
This guy at the back is trying to convince me to buy some offerings for the temple god, but the security guard has made it quite clear that I can't go in because I'm not a Hindu. I don't know if the other guy understands or he's just playing dumb. What do you say? There's too many flies here. How am I gonna eat this?
Home I take it 100 rupees.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter if it's 100 rupees or whatever, but there's too many flies. I'm gonna get sick. Look at this.
It is Mahaprasad.
What is it?
Mahaprasad.
Mahapashad.
Prabhu ka, Gopal ka.
100 to give to the god. Yeah, but if I'm not allowed to go into the temple, yes.
Take it 100 rupees.
100 rupee. And what do I do with it?
English no.
What do I do with it?
100. Take it. 100.
100. No. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? Mahaprasad, take it.
Mahaprasad.
No.
I've just been talking to a monk, trying to convince him to let me into the temple, but he says it's a big no-no because I'm not Hindu. However, he has told me that in this door behind me there's a little hole, and if I look through it, I'll be able to see the god Ram, which this temple is dedicated to. So I'm gonna have a look. Hello? What is this? Can I go? You want money? Money? Okay. Okay. It's for festival. Festival. Okay, wait. Okay. Thank you. How many? Thank you. Money again? What is this?
Chait Parab.
Highway robbery. You want money? Hello. I don't have any money. Again, everybody stopping. Money, money, money. Okay, thank you. Hold. Okay, skull. Cheers. Yes. Ah, like this. Okay. Not bad. But if you have too many, thank you. Thank you.